I'm going to make Burong Mustasa today, and this came from my garden. And this is where I got it from. There are still remaining mustasa. This is my mustard plant. I have lots of them. That's why I pulled them out already so I could make Burong Mustasa. These are my mustard plant. I'm going to soak it in water so to loosen the soil. It looks clean. I'm air drying the mustard. This is how much juice I got from the mustard. I squeeze it because mustard has a bitter taste. So this is what I got. This is rice water. I told my husband yesterday to save the rice water so that I can use it for the pickled mustard. So this is a pickled jar. I tighten it and then we'll let it ferment. The Burong Mustasa I made a few days ago. This is it now.